Today we are doing a pancake challenge.
Alright guys, we're doing the pancake art challenge. Are you ready? What are you making, Cara?
I'm baking a frying pan.
Cara is making a scary Halloween cat, and Mommy's gonna make a Halloween web. Yay! So we're gonna see who's gonna win. I'm gonna win.
No,
I'm gonna win. Me.
Me.
Alright guys, we're gonna get this challenge started and we will see who the winner is. Are you ready, Cara? Alright, so kids, before you do this, make sure you ask your parents because the griddle could be very
Hot.
Ah! Whoa, is that a cat? Cara's making a cat, guys. A black cat. Ooh. Is that his tail or what?
It is his tail.
Okay. Oh, don't let it drip. Are you done? What else are you putting? Keep
I
trying.
want red.
She wants red. All right.
I can make the cat.
Oh, she's gonna make a colorful Halloween cat. Whoa.
I want yellow now.
You want yellow now?
Yellow.
All right.
Mommy, why are you not doing yours?
Because I'm trying to make sure you don't get burnt. Okay, I guess I can do mine, right? I should trust Cara. Alright guys, I'm gonna make a web.
This is wings.
Alright. Good job, Cara. I can't wait to see Cara's cat, guys. Take this up a little bit. Okay, you have a lot of space here. Okay?
This is him. And this is him. Like, I forgot his eyes.
You forgot his eyes? You can still do it. Mama's doing a very simple web. Guys, this is so much fun. Oh, look at my web.
White.
You want white? Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
You are welcome. You still have to press it. And carry it up high a little bit. Higher. Nice.
Now I want green.
And you want green? Wow. This is a very colorful cat, guys. Mama's doing a web and Cara is making a cat. Look at Cara's cat. Okay. I'm gonna finish my web here. We're gonna wait. Cara, what do you do when you wait?
Flip it over.
Flip it what?
Flip it over.
You flip it over when you wait? Doing it. Yeah.
Two sides.
That's
Three
gonna want to come to
sides. Three sides.
Whoa, guys, look at my spider web.
Spider-Man, do cut it.
Here is Mommy's web, spider web. It got messed up, and here is Cara's pretty cat. It actually looks more like a dragonfly, Cara. Look, with the wings and the little tail right here. I'm not sure, but I think it looks like that dragonfly. What do you think? What do you think, guys? So, guys, who do you think won this challenge?
Me.
What? I thought I won this challenge.
Let's do another one.
I think Cara won because mine got messed up, but Kara's is intact. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this video.
No, I want to do another one. Hope you like this video, guys. Bye.
Bye. Please give this video a thumbs
up.
Thumbs up, guys. Please give it a thumbs up. And please, what else should they do?
Click the like button.
Press the like button. And should they subscribe? Should we say please? Please. Bye.